groovy, man. Check out this 1972 Honda Z600. Today here in the garage, we're going to take a closer look at this fascinating little automobile. Just want to give it a hug. I ran across this little Z600. They're really cool. They're started production in, I guess, in 1970. They ran through 74. They're marketed in the United States between late 70 and late 1972. It was replaced later by the Honda Civic, and they were sold through motorcycle dealerships in the early 70s. Honda had a little sedan, a more conventional looking one, the N600. This is the Z600, it's the sporty one. And they did a good job making it sporty with little plaid seats and instrumentation. Just neat little cars. They feature a little 598cc or 36 cubic inch engine with a 4-speed transmission. They run really good. I mean, they are capable of like 80 miles an hour, which is amazing for such a car with 36 horsepower. And they're good on gas. And people say they're fun to drive. I've never driven one. That's on my list of things to do, is to drive one of these little guys. But it's such a funky, fun little car. Look at these cool little alloy wheels. They're neat. They're little, I don't know, maybe they're steel wheels. I don't know. Little sporty looking rims. Just a fun little car. And there's just so much to look at. I mean, that engine right there looks about the size of the motor under the power seat of my Cadillac. But I don't know. I just had to share this one with you guys. It's just a fun car, and really catching on with collectors. Believe it or not, this car sold at the Broad Arrow auction at the Monterey Jet Center in August of 2022, and it sold for over $50,000. So that's nothing to sneeze at. These cars are catching on. There's not many left. They weren't worth much for a long time. Now they are, so they're rare. I always like this rear glass treatment. Kind of, to me, looks like a scuba mask. But some people think of it more like a television set screen. I don't know, be your own judge. And this guy is having some fun with it. He put a couple little stickers on it to resemble a TV set, volume and on and off switch. Is really fun. I mean, you have to have a sense of humor if you're gonna have a car like this, and that's why it's so much fun. And I just had to share the fun with you guys here today in the garage. Please like and subscribe. Our channel is doing really well, and we appreciate your support. And we'll bring you some more cars to look at here in the garage. Thanks again.